from the Hunterville practice.
Sprouting Health. And so we're going to talk about low back pain. Low back pain in some research studies has been shown to cost $100 to $200 billion annually. And this was an American study, but how crazy, that's a lot of money. And most of the costs, Dr. David, as we've read, are associated with decreased productivity, which is low back pain.
People can't work,
Yeah.
they can't make money, so with their money lost in there.
Stops you in your tracks, low back pain. Of course, a lot more horrible things come with that, but I'll leave it for there because we want to move on to one of the biggest things that causes low back pain. And Dr. David and I were just talking, and it reminded me of something that was really, really interesting. If I move my arm, the first muscle that contracts in my body is
It's tricky.
Yeah,
It's actually our abdominal muscles.
Exactly. And why would that be?
Because we have to have a stable core muscles, a good base to act on for our arm to move.
Beautiful. I like using an analogy of shooting a cannon out of a canoe. The canoe better be strong if you're going to shoot that cannon out. And that's exactly what happens. Our core contracts to allow our peripherals to move, our arms and legs, for example. So very interesting. So what we're trying to help you guys understand here is that there's a failure of core, there's a failure of stability. And in the research, that actually leads to things like disc pain, back pain, nerve pain, all this sort of compression syndromes that people get. And that's highly associated with core strength, which is, there's some cool studies that show that as well.
100%. So a recent literature study have recruited 50 tennis players and measured their core the core strength right before and right after chiropractic adjustments, and they've found a significant improvement from there. Although we know this is quite a fairly small sample size, more research in regard to these needs to be done for us to say something a little bit more solid, but this is really positive for our chiropractic profession.
Wonderful preliminary findings that core strengthens after an adjustment. Really cool stuff.
So if you have a stronger core strength, it can actually help improve you playing sport. Productivity.
Yep, less
pain. Yeah.
Exactly. You're less prone to get back issues. These studies are starting to show now. So the studies essentially say that chiropractic care, a good chiropractor combined with core strength exercises actually gets really good results for low back pain.
100%. Dr. Jeremy?
So if anyone here's got listening, knows someone, or has some sort of pain in their spine at all, come in. If you'd like us to check you out, we run a thorough examination. We have a look, we get to the source of what's going on, and we'll give you some honest feedback about what you need to do to get that body nice and stable and strong again, so you can enjoy life. Because life's too short not to enjoy it, guys.
100%. Don't put up with your pain.
True. Have a wonderful weekend.